All right. It looks like a bagged rhinoceros. All right, what do we do here? Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God, there it is. Check that out. Whoa, that's plush. Oh my God. Ego. All right. Oh my God. Oh my God. What in the world is this? Can you see that, guys? This is like a control console. I have never seen a mower with that kind of console. So here's your steering, I guess. Some of this we can't get to yet. Let's go over here. All right, so we know we're dealing with a 42-inch deck, dual blade. Oh my God, check out those wheels and casters. That's grunty stuff right there, guys. There's a seat adjustment, a suspension position. That's crazy. Okay, can't get down there yet. You know something? I think I can get this off. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's more beautiful than I could have imagined. Oh. Look at that. Look at that, 6 bays. I want to show you this battery. Oh my God. This, my friends, is the 10 amp hour battery, 56 volt, kind of light. I think that's about the weight of the 7.5. Oh my God, that's amazing. So I got 4 battery bays filled. I got 2 open. All right. Back here, it looks like a trailer hitch. Oh my God, okay. Oh my, don't know what that is. That looks like an accessory battery plug. That kind of looks like the battery plug for the backpack for their commercial stuff. Looking great, looking great. Let's move around here. All right, I mean, check this thing out. Check this thing out. It looks like a boat dashboard. It's like crazy. Oh, phone slot. I don't know if that means your phone plugs in or there's your key, your start. Was I supposed to do that? Don't know I was supposed to do that, but we're seeing some cool stuff. Nonetheless, look at this. 12% battery, it's saying. I better turn it off. I don't want this thing starting in here. I doubt I could do it, but... And back here, what is this little thing? 1600 watt charger. Oh my God. Oh my God, I don't even know what to think yet. I don't even know what to make of that. That is crazy. And look at this, like a hitch. Oh, she's lit up. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is gas strut on the cover here. This is like spare, no expense. This is the ultimate premium 0-turn mower, and I have it. I can't wait. Okay, so I've got a cage here. It looks like I'm gonna have to open this up and get this out somehow. We gotta free this beast and get him on the lawn where it belongs. Z6 is what it says over there, Z6. So, oh my God, I am like speechless. As an adult, you don't get to feel this way too often. I am like, my heart is racing. This is amazing. I want to get this thing open and put it together and start having fun. So that's what we're doing next. Here we go. All right, guys, I just got my Ego battery-powered Z6 0-turn lawnmower unpacked here. It's just, it just keeps getting better. There are so many little details on this mower that are amazing. Let me start back here with something I noticed. This is in the back. You've got an LED here. Then you've got some high-intensity LEDs right down there. I think you can see that. And here's your first look at the front end. I know we got a teaser on that. You can see there's a set of LEDs over there and another set over there. This thing's amazing. So the next step I gotta do is I gotta hook up the seat and the arms on the steering. Check this out. Here's the keys. They're so cool. Just like every detail is perfection. So the key goes in here. I'm not gonna put that in yet because we're not ready. Let me get the seat and the arms installed and we'll see where we go from there.
I'm gonna have to stop saying, oh my God. But, you know, maybe one more time because there's a video right there and oh my God, you're gonna wanna see it. It's a top to bottom review of the Ego Zero Turn Z6 rod-on mower. It's amazing. You will be saying, see you there.